If you're holding 16,892 Kaspa right now, you're probably wondering what that bag could realistically be worth by 2026. Could it just be a solid multiple? Or could Kaspa turn into one of the breakout projects of this cycle and deliver life-changing gains? In this video, we're going to break it all down. We'll look at Kaspa's current price and market cap, explain what makes it unique compared to most of the crypto market, cover what's happening with its development and adoption right now, and then run through price predictions with full market cap math so you can see exactly what your 16,892 Kaspa could be worth in just a couple of months. But before we continue with that video, if you're looking for a reliable place to trade crypto, I recommend BTC. They've been trusted by millions for over 14 years, and right now, you can grab a 10% deposit bonus on your first deposit over 500 USDT, plus unlock secret community rewards and extra bonuses of up to $10,055 per user. On BTCC, you can trade 300+ crypto futures with up to 500x leverage, and even access tokenized stocks and Forex, all with no VPN or KYC required. Use the link in the description to sign up, claim your bonus, and start trading today. At the time of recording, Kaspa is priced at about 7.8 cents with a market capitalization of roughly $2.1 billion. That means your 16,892 Kaspa is worth just over $1,300 right now. That's your baseline today. But the real question is how much that stack could grow by 2026 if Kaspa continues on its current path. Kaspa has quickly become one of the most talked about projects in crypto, and for good reason. Unlike many coins that follow the same old playbook, Kaspa is doing something different. It's built on a unique proof-of-work system using block DAG technology. That's a block-directed acyclic graph. Instead of producing blocks one at a time in a single chain, Kaspa can process multiple blocks in parallel. This gives it a huge advantage in speed and scalability. Right now, Kaspa is already processing around 10 blocks per second, which is faster than most other proof-of-work coins. And the team has ambitions to scale even further. This is why people are calling Kaspa one of the most innovative proof-of-work projects in the space today. The significance of BlockDAG is that it solves a problem proof-of-work networks have struggled with for years. Traditional blockchains like Bitcoin are secure, but they're slow. Newer networks like Solana are fast, but they rely on proof-of-stake and sometimes sacrifice decentralization. Kaspa is showing that it's possible to keep the security of proof-of-work while delivering the scalability needed for real-world applications. That balance is rare, and it's one of the big reasons Kaspa has been attracting attention from both retail investors and developers. On top of its core technology, Kaspa has another major catalyst coming up: the launch of smart contracts. Scheduled for the end of August, this rollout will allow developers to build decentralized applications directly on Kaspa. Up until now, Kaspa has been focused mainly on payments and transaction efficiency. With smart contracts, it can expand into decentralized finance, tokenization, gaming, and countless other use cases. This is a massive step forward because it transforms Kaspa from a fast settlement layer into a full ecosystem where developers can innovate and create value. Kaspa's economic model also sets it apart. Instead of having events that happen every 4 years, Kaspa uses a system where block rewards decrease on a monthly basis. This creates a smooth emission curve that steadily reduces supply growth over time. For investors, that means scarcity builds consistently, and if demand increases, upward price pressure can kick in without the big shocks or long wait times associated with traditional halving cycles. Now let's run the numbers. At today's price of just under 8 cents, your 16,892 Kaspa is worth a little over $1,300. In the conservative case, if Kaspa grows steadily and climbs to 15 cents by 2026, its market cap would be about $4 billion. At that price, your 16,892 KAS would be worth around $2,500. That's nearly double your current value without requiring explosive growth. In the bullish scenario, Kaspa breaks into the top tier of cryptocurrencies. With smart contracts live, an active developer community, and continued adoption, Kaspa could climb to 50 cents. That would give it a market cap around $13 billion. At that level, your 16,892 tokens would be worth about $8,400. That's a huge increase compared to today. and it would show that Kaspa has secured a meaningful place among major crypto projects. Now let's look at the moonshot. If Kaspa fully delivers on its vision of combining proof-of-work security with unmatched scalability, and if it becomes a hub for decentralized applications, payments, and tokenization, the price could reach $1 by 2026. That would give it a market cap near $26 billion. At that price, your 16,892 Kaspa would be worth nearly $16,900. That's more than a 10 times increase compared to today, and while ambitious, it's not unrealistic if adoption grows rapidly. The great thing about these predictions is that they're grounded in actual market cap math. Even at $1, Kaspa's market cap would still be smaller than many current giants, which means there's room to grow if it executes on its vision. So what could get Kaspa to those higher levels? The launch of smart contracts is the immediate catalyst. Once developers can build on Kaspa, it creates opportunities for DeFi, NFTs, tokenized assets, and more. Another driver is its speed. With 10 blocks per second and more improvements on the horizon, Kaspa is one of the fastest proof-of-work networks ever built. That makes it attractive for payments and settlement use cases where speed matters. The community is also a big factor. Kaspa has one of the strongest grassroots communities in crypto right now, and their enthusiasm has been a huge part of its growth. A strong community often drives awareness, adoption, and developer interest, all of which fuel the ecosystem. Then there's the long-term narrative. As the crypto industry matures, investors and institutions are looking for networks that combine speed, scalability, and security. Proof-of-work remains the most battle-tested consensus system in the world, but most proof-of-work coins can't scale. Kaspa is the exception. If it proves that BlockDAG can scale proof-of-work globally, it could attract serious long-term interest from institutions and developers alike. There are risks to keep in mind. Kaspa is still a young project, and it doesn't yet have the institutional partnerships or recognition that older projects like Ripple or Stellar enjoy. Competition is also fierce. Other smart contract platforms like Solana, Cardano, and Avalanche already have large ecosystems and developer bases. Kaspa will need to prove that its speed and security give it an edge. Token supply is another consideration. With a maximum supply of 28 billion coins, Kaspa needs strong demand to keep pushing the price higher. Even with those risks, Kaspa has shown incredible growth. In just a short time, it's gone from an under-the-radar project to one of the fastest-growing names in crypto. Its unique technology, upcoming smart contracts, and strong community make it one of the most exciting projects heading into the next cycle. So to recap, at today's price, your 16,892 Kaspa is worth just over $1,300. In the conservative case of 15 cents, that grows to around $2,500. In the bullish case of 50 cents, it grows to about $8,400. And in the moonshot case of $1, it grows to nearly $16,900. That's the realistic range of outcomes based on adoption and market cap math. The bottom line is that Kaspa doesn't need to become the biggest crypto in the world to give you great returns. Even steady growth could double your position. But if it delivers on its promises, rolls out smart contracts successfully, and continues to scale with BlockDAG technology, the upside could be much larger. So what do you think? Will Kaspa stop around 15 cents, climb to 50 cents, or make the leap to $1 by 2026? Drop your prediction in the comments below.